Nicola. Today we're going to make galaxy stress balls. So what you need is balloon, like this one. It's a good idea to blow it up. That was the balloon. And some jelly balls, which look like this when you get them, or jelly beads. So they look really tiny when you get them. You can see those. So I've got purple ones and also some blue ones. So we need to empty these into a bowl, and then you need some water, and all you do is tip the water in. You have to put quite a lot in because they grow quite a lot. I'll show you when they've grown. And now we've got to wait 6 hours for them to grow. I think you can get these from garden centres because people use them to keep plants watered, but you can also get them off the internet. They're ready. It only took about 4 hours actually. I was expecting it to take about 6. I've also got some glitter to put in. Makes it look more like a galaxy, doesn't it? Outer space galaxy. So I'm going to sprinkle that in. A bit messy. Like that. There we go. Give it a stir. Like that. Mix it up. There we go. A good mix. Whoa, it's nice, that's cool. So that's what they look like now. And the trick is get a bottle, cut the top off. You can do it with a full bottle, but I found it easier like this, which I'll show you in a minute why it's a little bit easier. With a full bottle you can squeeze it in. At the tip you need a thick balloon. Thin balloons don't really work because they rip and they will pop when you squeeze. We don't want that. So another tip, try and get a bottle that's got a bigger neck on it so the balls can go down a little bit easier. So here we go. All you do, pop them in like this. There we go, give it a shake. Whoop! They're going everywhere. Once it gets up to this level, you might need something to push them in with. I'm just using a pen, like that. Let's see if I can get a few more in. Okay. Oh, I'm just getting in trouble for making a mess. Quick tip, try and put as many as you can in. It looks a lot better the more you can get in. So persevere, it takes a bit of time and effort, but it's worth it. Another tip, when you take the balls out of the water, put it in the sieve and let it drain. Forgot to say, make sure you tidy up, which is what I'm going to do now. Thank you for watching, enjoy! I also write and illustrate children's books. There is a link to my author page below. I've also added a link to my Facebook page where you will find more games. There are also more games, art workshops on my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Goodbye.